Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. So today we got a cute little banker. Y'all see it. I'm feeling brand new. I'm feeling real brand new. When you get your hair done, you get your nails done, I don't know what it is, but it just does something to you, right? But anyways, this video is being brought to you guys by Beauty Forever. I'll have all the information linked down below in my description box. And this video was all over the place. It took me hours to film. Let me tell you really quickly the details on this hair, and then we're just going to hop right into it. It's a talk through all over the place video, but it's giving everything it needs to give at the same time. So stay tuned. Okay. Let's hop into this. I did add some foundation underneath the lace, and I adjusted the straps, and then I did add the elastic adjustable band. Let's try her on. Ooh, okay. So we got her on. Brush her out. Ooh, this is gonna be easy, and I love that for me. It does come bleached, plucked, and everything. I don't know. I don't know. For some reason, when I have these Yaki texture units, I be wanting to tweeze it a little bit more in the front because I just want it to look like it's as natural as possible. But that's looking real good. It doesn't need any work. For me being extra, I might do a little 1-2, 1-2. I got this in, I think, 20 inches. If I'm wrong, everything will be below in the description box. Look at this parting. I done messed it up. I'm gonna have to go ahead and tweak this a little bit. But look at that. No bleached knots, it's a bleaching. Okay, I love it so far. Let me zoom out. This is raw uncut, okay? Let me give you guys some side profiles in different angles so you can see how it's looking. It's full, but this is, I think this is like a more of a Yaki texture because it's not doing too much. So it's like the perfect natural texture wig to me, because sometimes the kinky wigs can be a little bit overpowering. This is how far it's falling on me. Y'all see you see the waist getting slim or whatever, but this is how it's long as hitting me. My lip is 20 inches, and y'all know I'm about 5'2.5". But I'm loving it so far. I feel like I could do a real cute updo, but I don't think we're gonna do too much there. I think I'm just gonna wear it down. But it don't, y'all. I'm gonna trim this lace back and tweeze just a little bit, and I'll be right back.
Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me, nigga, please.
What I love about these units is, like, I like that it's giving frontal without the full frontal, because this side always gives me trouble when I'm rocking a frontal. I'm watching any vlog, y'all, if y'all hear that. But I like that, you know, it's giving closure. You know what I mean? And then frontal, this 7x5 is nice.
Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me, nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. was with me living life so chill. Even on your friends that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my fish.
It don't need too much, honestly, but of course we're trying to perfect this wig or whatever. So I'm gonna use my wax stick.
Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid. And it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me.
I'm gonna just perfect this parting space a little bit, then I'm gonna go finish my makeup. Have you ever had your face just sitting to where you didn't even want to put on no foundation? My skin is clearing up a lot, as y'all can see, if y'all ain't new here. But yeah, I don't even feel like really putting on no makeup, so I'm gonna do like a very, very, very light-handed foundation routine when I don't really want to wear too much makeup. I like this freaking film a new makeup video for y'all, but this is how the pouring space is looking. Looks so good, child. Y'all see, I'm gonna do my foundation, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of this powder first because it's just giving casky.
Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell them what you know. What you see, how I roll, how I did it on the low. Don't tell your friends about it. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them how you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the
This is the final look. I was gonna put some layers in it, but it has like natural layers in it, so I'm not gonna disturb it. I love it. Y'all know I'm a curly girl at heart, so whatever I find straight hair that I just fall in love with instantly, I'm here for it. Beauty Forever did the big one. The texture is giving my hair, baby. It's giving my hair. Do you see that? Five. I love these. Let me give you guys one more little angles action. It's all the hair to the back. Y'all know. Y'all see it. I love it. And so far, after I brushed it out, after tweezing it, it hasn't been shedding. Y'all seen how easy it was for me to flat iron the hair. I didn't need it like super bone straight, so I just ran the flat iron through it really quickly, and it did what it needed to do. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorge. I feel like a new woman with this hair or whatever. I'm ready to come outside. So with all that being said, y'all let me know how y'all like this. Ooh, I'm missing a nail. Y'all let me know how y'all like this wig down below in the comments. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to check out Beauty Forever hair. I will have all the information linked down below in my description box. And y'all, spend some hours. Oh yeah, the makeup is it makeup sitting? It's been done for a good probably 2 hours. I didn't eat and everything, child. But I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.